Hello folks, I'm Trade. I welcome you all back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you all how to use Metatrader 4, both in Android and also in iPhone. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to like my videos after watching them and also subscribe so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Currently, I'm running a free mentorship this year 2024, so subscribe so that you won't miss any of my topics. Thank you. So let's move on to the topic of this video. MetaTrader 4. First, what you have to do is go to Play Store or Apple Store and type MetaTrader 4. Here you have it. Or you can also search for MT4, that's for short, MT4. Here you also have it. So after you have gone to your Play Store or Apple Store and download the app, the next thing to do is to open the app. At first, the first time you open the app, it will automatically open a demo account, but that's not the account you'll be trading with. You will have to log in the account of your broker, of the broker that you are trading with. So to do that, you just have to click these three lines here. Once you click it, you will see manage account. You will click there, then you now click on this plus sign here. As you click on it, you click on login to an existing broker. Then here now you now type in the name of your broker and the server. I'm trading with Exness broker. They are reliable and regulated. You can try them out. I'll drop the link in the description. So that's the broker that I'm trading with. So after you have logged in to your broker, the next thing to do is to know what all the icons here is for. So if you want to add first let me delete these ones here so that I'll be able to show you guys what I mean. So I've deleted other pairs here. If you want to add other pairs, you just have to click this plus sign here. Once you click on the plus sign here, you see find symbol. Then you now type in the pair that you want to add. You can type British pounds USD. You click on it to add. You can add audio US dollars. Click on it. You can add New Zealand US dollars. You click on it. As you can see, those pairs have been added here. So if you want to arrange them, let's say in alphabetical order, anyhow you wish to, just click on this pencil icon here. Once you click on it, then you now press and hold the pair. You move it, you arrange it the way you want. But if you want to delete any of them, you just click on this delete icon here. Once you click on it, you select the ones that you want to delete. The reason why I'm unable to delete this EU is because this Euro USD is the one that is open on the chart already. Let's say I opened this audio USD. So let's now move back and click. Can you see I cannot delete the Euro USD because audio US dollar is the one now opened on my chart. As if you click here, if you want to see your chart, here is chart. if you click here, here is your chart, and here is to see your account balance and open trade. Yeah, for example, let me open a trade so that you guys understand what I mean. Let me use the smallest ones. So can you see it? So once you move to here is where you will be seeing your balance and your open trades. Then here is history of the past trades that you have taken. Here is and the withdrawal, deposit, everything that you have made. Here is the history of what the transaction you have done. Here is where you see it. And also, if you want to do a quick search, you can click on this calendar sign here. Once you click on it, you will select you will go to customize period, then select from which date you want to the end date you want. After that, you just press done to show you the history that you are looking for. So to open a trade, what you will do is for you to just tap any pair, tap it, you will see new order. Tap the new order. As you can see here, instant execution. This instant execution is used if you want to open an instant order. Yeah, orders are pending order, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Orders are just pending order. So here is where you put your stop loss, and the one at your right is where you put your take profits. Yeah, if you want to know about buy stop, sell stop, you check the ebook I dropped on my Telegram channel. Everything about pending order is well explained there. So also, if you want to open a chart, you can just click the pair you want to open the chart. Let's say if you click EU, you see here open charts. Open the chart. To add indicator, you just click on this F sign here. Sorry, first you tap on the screen, then this circle icon will now show. You now click on this F symbol here. You now select the indicator you want to add. Anyone you want to add, you can now add it. If you want to delete, you click on this delete icon here. Once you click on it, then you select the ones you want to delete, then delete it. As you can see, those indicators that were here have been deleted. So if you want to switch to other time frame, you just tap on the screen, select 1 hour, you tap again, you select 4 hour. Any time frame that you want to switch to, select 1 minute. So that is it. So this sign here, plus sign here, is used for measurement. Let's say you opened a trade like this audio USD that I've opened. Let's say I want to measure where I want to put my stop loss. I can use that sign, this sign here. Click on it, then ruler. Now show I'll use it to measure where I want to place my stop loss. Then once I get it, then I will now move back to my trade. I press and hold, click on modify, then I will enter my stop loss and my take profit. Here you enter your stop loss. The left one is where you enter your stop loss, and the right one is where you enter your take profit. So that is it. Most of the thing in this circle is also up here. Yeah, most of the fin that is in this circle. Most of the fin that is here, it's also up here. So as you can see, this same F sign here is for indicator, and it's also, once you tap on the screen, you see it here. That this plus sign here is also here. So, and again here is for news. Let's say updates. Your broker can send you upcoming news, or if your trade is about to stop you out, you no longer have enough funds to hold your trade, the broker will send you a message here. And let's say you are in your chart like this, you don't want to move back here and open and select another pair. You want to open, you just click on this dollar sign here. Once you click on it, you select another pair that you want to open the chart. You see, no need for you to be moving back and pressing open charts. What you just do is just click on that dollar sign there and select. And also, if you want to open the trade like this euro rate British pounds USD, if you want to open the trade, no need for you to move back and click on it and open trade. What you just do, inside that same chart, you click on this sign here, then you select the lot size that you want, set your stop loss and take profits. So that is it. And again, if you want to take partial, let's say you want to close half of your position. Let's say, for example, you open the trade with 0.10. I'll be buying. Yeah, let's assume this trade. Okay, now this trade is now in profits. What you just do is just slide it. You click on this mark here, good here. Once you click on it, then you now minus the lot size. Have you seen it? I closed 0.5, I'm in profit, and the remaining 0.5 is still running. This is what we call closing half of your lot size. That's taking partial. So that is it for Android users. So let's move to iPhone. For iPhone users, is how to use Metatrader for iPhone users. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's almost the same thing, just that in Android this pencil icon is at the left, at the right side, and in iPhone is at the right side. So it's just the same thing. If you want to rearrange your pairs, you click this pencil icon here, press the pair and hold, you move it, you arrange it the way you want. If you want to delete any of the pairs, you just tap them and click this delete icon here. The pairs will delete. If you want to open the chart, you can just tap on the pair, open chart, the chart will open. Or you can, if the chart has been opened already, you can just click on this chart here where they write chart. As you can see it, the chart will open. So the difference now between iPhone users, Metatrader 4, and Android users. In iPhone, once you tap the screen, that circle distant icon won't show for you to switch time frame. This is what will happen. Once you tap on iPhone Metatrader 4, this is what it will show you: trade, indicator, objects, and setting. So for you, an iPhone user, to switch time frame, you just click here. As you can see, the time frame is already in daily. Once you click here, have you seen it? This other time frame, then you now be able to switch to any time frame you want. The same thing, this plus sign here is used for measurements. That same thing. If you want to open this trade without moving back here and selecting trade, you can just click here, the root trade. You click it, you open the trade. So same thing, here is your trade history, and if you want to add your broker, if you just downloaded the Metatrader 4 in your iPhone, after opening the demo of the Metatrader 4, you now want to add your real broker account. Just click on these settings here. So you click on these settings, you click on new account, click on login to an existing account, then you now type in your broker name and the server. So that is it. No much difference between iPhone and Android Metatrader 4. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't fail to like and subscribe so that you'll be notified in my next coming video. And again, join my Telegram channel. I do give free signal, so join my Telegram channel for free signal and education. Thank you. Wish you all good luck and good trading. Bless.